Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to join the reading challenge on the Goodreads application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And now you should tap on the More icon down below, which is the last option, and click on the second section, Reading Challenge. At this page, you are ready to get to know this particular challenge. And if you feel like that it might be of your interest, click on this button in the middle of the screen, Join the Challenge. Here you should set your reading goal by entering the number of books that you want to read this year. Press the button Start. And then you will be able to edit this goal by changing your reading goal. If you want to add more or size it down a little bit, you can also tap on the See My Books option, to which you can add the readings that you want to complete by the end of this year. As you can see, there are 2 items added so far. If you want to add more, tap on this button in the upper right corner of the screen and click on the first option, Add Books, so you are ready to browse according to genres or other aspects, and then tap on the Want to Read button if you want to add any of these readings to your list, so that you will be able to broaden this section, so that you will proceed with this challenge. If you tap on the Friends Challenges option, you are going to see that your friends have joined this, whether your friends have already joined this challenge or not. You can add friends by clicking on this third icon here, so you can invite your friends to participate in that challenge as well. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.